has been expelled from the story. I feel terrible, but there's nothing we can do for him. We must be careful not to end up lost like him. Old man knew about you and the monster. The Pinnacle Soldier's story. Let's see how the memory ends, shall we?
The escapees arrive at the town outside the castle and find people in a panic over the impending war. Continuing mission. Somehow, the two managed to escape beyond the borders of the kingdom. Looking back on their former home, they each make an oath. The boy swears to travel the nation as its prince and bring an end to the war, while the man promises to guard the prince until his dying moment. Together, they will sever the marionette strings the kingdom has bound them to. With determination in their hearts, they take their first steps into the future.
The boy for peace, and the machine for him. That must be how their memories were intertwined. This is the third fragment. Of all emotions, I believe this one might be especially human. It is a heart that fills in the blanks of a vague future. Oh. Well, there is still so much you lack. We'll take baby steps to get it all back. One at a time now.